The Mazda CX-5 features a smart key system that uses encrypted transponders for enhanced security and convenience. Programming involves pairing the key fob with the car's immobilizer and body control module, or BCM. Key components include the transponder chip with a unique encrypted ID, the immobilizer that blocks engine starts without a valid key, BCM integration for signal management, and security protocols using rolling codes to thwart attacks. The body control module, or BCM, is the central component that manages all key signals and pairing processes. For newer models from 2023 onward, programming typically requires professional tools such as the Mazda MMDS diagnostic system or a compatible OBD2 scanner. Dealerships charge between $50 and $150 for this service. For older models, manual pairing might be attempted by cycling the ignition on and off or pressing the lock and unlock buttons in a specific sequence. However, this can trigger the vehicle's anti-theft systems if not done correctly. Overall, programming Mazda CX-5 key fobs is complex and not recommended as a DIY task for most users due to the risk of security system errors. Key fob programming trends point toward digital integration, with Mazda exploring smartphone pairing via NFC and potential battery-free fobs. Success stories exist of DIY programming using OBD2 adapters and tutorials, but recalls for faulty fob chips highlight the risks involved. Experts warn that professional programming is safer, reducing theft risks by 60% due to compliance with Mazda's encryption standards. Statistics show DIY attempts often fail, leading to additional repair costs. Always use genuine Mazda fobs, and for post-2020 models, dealership programming is recommended due to evolving firmware. For help, refer to the Mazda CX-5 Owner's Manual, automotive forums like MazdaForum.com and Reddit Ars Mazda, or repair guides like AllDataDIY.com and Haynes Mazda CX-5 Repair Manual.